So hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can create brand on Zoho CRM. So for that you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search Zoho CRM. Now select the first website and log into your account right here. After that you will need to click on this profile picture icon and then select Access Zoho CRM. Now select this settings icon. Now select social. And now select this button right here called create new brand, and now you just have to fill these details, which is your brand name and your brand description. And after that you just need to click on this button right here called create, and now you have been successfully created your brand on your Zoho CRM. So that's how you guys do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.